Hi guys, welcome back. Here we are in Lithuania at this particular moment in the capital, in the bell tower. So welcome. I'm going to show you many things here, and this is just the first, the bell tower of Vilnius. So although you find the bell tower next to the cathedral, it has nothing to do with the cathedral. This tower is actually from the 13th century, and it's part of the original castle that was here. During my visit, it was €6 to climb the bell tower, and I think it was well worth it. But remember, there's a lot of stairs.